Sarah here on a rainy day in Sacramento, and it's time for Farm Tip Tuesday. We're here at the office of the Center for Land-Based Learning's West Sac Urban Farm Program. The last of these rainy days is a really great time to decide exactly what kind of plants you want to plant. So I thought I'd share some interesting fun facts about tomatoes that you might not know. There are two different kinds of tomatoes. There are determinate tomatoes and indeterminate tomatoes. So what does that mean? These two different kinds of tomatoes can serve a completely different purpose for you. Determinate tomatoes essentially ripen all at the same time or very quickly together. So maybe within a few weeks you'll have all of the tomatoes that plant is going to produce ripened and harvested, which means that you'll have a ton of tomatoes coming to you all at once, and your season will be a lot shorter. Indeterminate tomatoes will actually grow multiple crops throughout the season. So that plant will actually continue to produce new green tomatoes that ripen slowly over time, probably until the first frost when your plant dies. Another thing to know about these two different types of tomatoes is determinate tomatoes really only grow to be about 4 feet tall, so they can be kind of nice for containers outside on your patio. Indeterminate tomatoes can be anywhere from 10 to 12 feet tall, so just be prepared to have a much larger container. And you're also going to need to stake those guys. So what kind of tomato is right for you? If you're interested in canning, you should probably plant a determinate variety so you can get all your tomatoes at once and just make sure to get all those canning things done at one time. If you're interested in having a tomato that you can harvest for dinner every day throughout the course of 3 months or longer, definitely shoot for indeterminate. If you're curious about finding out whether or not your plants are determinate or indeterminate, if you're buying seeds, you can tell in this catalog they're separated into 2 categories, so you'll know right there. If you're buying your plants already started from a nursery, just ask your local nursery guy or gal, they'll know. If you found this information interesting, please share this video with your friends and tell them to like us at West Sac Urban Farm.